Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ezekiel speaking, and in today's video I want to show you how you can actually monetize your Facebook page using Instream ads and all other kind of ads available on Facebook. So many of you have been asking me, coming to my DM and asking me, Ezekiel, how can I actually monetize my content even though Facebook doesn't allow for Nigerians and so many other African countries to monetize their content or monetize their page on Facebook. So here's the way out, and it's a final approach. It's a big bang method that is going to explode the internet. So I want you guys to follow up, and it's actually a new thing that Facebook has done to in order to allow for elite for countries that are not eligible to the normal in-stream monetization to have access to the Facebook monetization as it were right now. So if you are just new to my channel, kindly go ahead to my Facebook YouTube channel and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you do that. I'll be expecting to see you do that. I hope you're doing that already. So without further ado, let's move into the video. So in today's video, I want to quickly show you how you can monetize your Facebook content in just quick steps. It's not going to be a long video. It's going to be a quick walkthrough video on how you can monetize your content on YouTube, on Facebook rather. Sorry, on Facebook. So now let's go into the video. Just go to the browser and open up this page, web.facebook.com/fbgaming home /creators/level up. So you can just go to your search button and search for Facebook level up. Search for Facebook level up, and the first result you get, click on it, Facebook level up. The first result you get, click it. That's where it's going to lead you to this particular page. So do diligence of watching this
Interested in taking
particular
the next
video
step?
and watch this particular video in your own interest. What the video is just talking about the new method by which you can monetize your content, that you can use to monetize your content. So how do you monetize your content? This method will help you on how you can do that. So it's going to be a quick walk video, and I want you to make sure you're paying attention. Once you get to this part of the video, you need to make sure you are paying attention and you are making sure that this particular video, you watch it from the beginning to the very end. Very important. You watch it from the beginning to the very end. If you are not ready to do that, please make sure you get all the things you need ready to start watching. So now let's go into the video very quickly. So the first thing I'll be doing is that you would click on the check eligibility icon, button rather. I've clicked on it. After you're done watching this video, click on this eligibility button. Now, this program, it takes your stream, community, and earning potential to the next height with level up program. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will see that there's a monetization available for it. You can gain access to stars, unlock other monetization. So on the right hand side, I'll be sharing my video with you on how you can on what you mean by all these different kind of ads. Is that okay? All different kind of monetization. I've made a video exclusively on to explain and give you full detailed information on how you can actually do these things. So okay, let's go into it again. So you can also carry out audience growth and create exclusive access to your content. You can get invited to our community group and join other program members to access customizable support and access to about 1080p 60 fps live streaming. Is that okay? So how do you join the level up? Now this level up is how you monetize your Facebook account, your page. Don't forget, that's how you monetize your page. So how do you get access to this level up? Now the first thing you're going to do to get access to the level up is first, you need to create a gaming video creator page, or the creator page has to be activated for at least have to have been active for the last 14 days with an admin who is 18 or older. The beauty here is that this particular option is not limited to particular location. All you need to be is to be a gamer. Is that okay? So if you're a gamer, you can go ahead and monetize your content using this particular platform using this particular method that Facebook has made available to us. Is that okay? So you can also make sure that you have at least 100 followers on your page. If you have 100 followers, you're ready to go. 100 followers is all you need apart from that. So once you have 100 followers, then you can go ahead and start monetizing. Then the third criteria is that you must stream game content with game tagged game tag. So that means you are going to be doing hashtag game. Is that okay? For at least 4 hours across 2 of the preceding 14 days. Only tag a game if you will be playing it or it may impact your eligibility. Don't tag a game that you won't be playing. Is that okay? If you are going to be playing the game, then you tag the game. Is that okay? Tag the game only if you'll be playing that particular game. All right. So once you do that, the next thing is that level up is only available in region listed here. So let's look at the regions where this is available. Okay, I've already opened that up in now. Program participant must adhere to community standard and our partnership monetization policies. Is that okay? So you must also make sure you follow the monetization policy. We'll be checking the countries that have this available. What countries is the program? Okay, so let's check the countries that this is available. It's available to African countries, Egypt, Kenya, Madagascar, Morocco, Nigeria, and Sudan. Hey, Nigeria is part of the countries that are eligible for this particular monetization method on Facebook. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, convert your current page to a skill up to a gaming page. Once you convert your current page to a gaming page, then you can monetize. Then you can monetize it and then you can go ahead. Okay. So apart from other countries, we have other Asian countries, uh, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Brunei, Cap, and other different countries. We have other countries in Europe and Australia that can have access to this particular um, opportunity to monetize their content. So why don't we go ahead to start? So first, if I check my eligibility, I cannot be eligible because first I need to make sure I meet up with the criteria. Is that okay? So once I meet up with the criteria, then I can start um, looking forward. So you need to work on your post. Don't forget the criteria. Let's go back to the criteria. Move up. Boom. Here's the criteria. First, you need to create a gaming video creator page. Once you do that, then the page has to be active for the last 14 days with an admin of 18 years or older and have at least 100 followers on the page. Is that okay? So once you have four page followers, so once you have 100 page followers, then you're good to go. So just come and create a new Facebook page. Once you do that, make sure the description. I'm not going to be creating one now. Make sure it is a gaming page, is gaming video creator. So this is the description you want to put. So if you want to edit your own current page now, you can edit your current page and put this criteria. Do you understand? This category rather. Make sure it is gaming related. The criteria you're putting is gaming related. Is that okay? So once you do that, put the other information here. Also insert necessary information, the description of the page. Then by the time you add some information here and you add the name of the page, this will be active and you can then click on create page. Is that okay? So once you create your page, then you start releasing content. Is that okay? So I'm trying to walk you through how you can get this done in just 14 days. So once you start doing that, then the next thing is that you start releasing content. I believe you didn't see the page what I was doing. So once you create your page, you can come here and click on uh, create open page. That's what I was trying to explain the other time. You make sure you insert your details, put in your page name, your category. Make sure the category is gaming. That's what I was trying to show you there. Gaming video creator page. Make sure that is what is there. Um, Add a particular name, and also make sure you add a description. Just describe your page and then click on create page. Then your new page is set. Or if you have a page you have created before, just come here and add to the category, edit the description or the settings of the page, and come and add gaming video creator on that page. So once you do, you can start working towards meeting up with these different criteria. So once you're able to do this, you can get your you can get your content monetized on this particular page. This is free of charge, and there's nothing delaying, or there's nothing that can stop you from getting your content monetized on this Facebook, on this level up. This level up is a way of leveling up, anyways, though it's not the way the normal monetization works, but this is just an advantage or an opportunity for all Africans, as many Africans that were listed there anyway, to get their content monetized on Facebook. So what are you waiting for? Kindly go ahead and go to just search for level up, Facebook level up, and then you can start. So you can go through all these different content. If there's any question you have here that you don't understand, reach out to me and I will help you out as well. Thank you very much for watching my content. My name still remains Akimbola Ezekiel. I'll be seeing you in subsequent content. Thank you.